How to make viral monetizable faceless YouTube videos for beginners. For beginners looking to start a successful YouTube channel, creating viral, monetizable, faceless video. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Choose trending topics with high search volume or evergreen content. 2. Research popular topics and keywords using tools like Google Trends and write detailed scripts and consider using voiceover artists. Use AI video creation tools and incorporate stock footage, images, animations, and graphics. Create engaging videos without 4. Optimize for SEO by using catchy titles, detailed descriptions with keywords, tags. 5. Promote your videos on social media platforms and collaborate with other YouTubers. Engage with viewers to build a community around your channel. 6. Monetize through the YouTube Partner Program, ad revenue, affiliate, and sponsored content collaboration. 7. Maintain consistency in uploading high-quality content, track performance. Learn from successful channels like Tech Gumbo, Stay persistent and improve based on feedback and analytics.